Come out!
Oh my God. You're so goofy.
Miren esto. Comida está ahí. Comida.
No hagas nadie.
Falta comida.
Go for a walk.
Yeah.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
Excuse me. What do you have there? Where are you finding these things? I'm convinced you have a secret stash somewhere. Stella. What are we doing?
College degrees, thanks to the coffee company. About a year ago, Starbucks pioneered with Arizona State University.
Get out and see what happens. Are you hungry? Oh. Did you want in the rain?
There's the trash can. And there's the culprit.
That's why the couch is big.
Come here. Come here, Dudu.
Do you want a belly rub? Okay. Belly rub.
Smile. Smile. Bigger. Big smile. Big, big smile. Big.
You got a hole. A candle hole. Good boy, Barty. Good boy.
Bell. Easy, Penny. Easy. Easy, Penny.
That eating dog, that eating dog used to go around in circles. He's a Democrat. Most of
I was born a dog. I identify as a dog, but according to my mom, I'm just a baby.
Give me the bone. Get that bone. Get that bone.
Give me an I. Give me an N. What's it spell? Muffin! Yay! What's it spell? Muffin!
Good morning.
You like the water, honey.
Wait.
Richmond.
Ma'am. Ma'am, that is not ladylike. Oh.
Look, Penny, it's working. Ah, man, tails. Yeah, you know the rules, Hines. Turn it over for the next person. I say, lucky Penny.
Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy.
Pulling him around.
Talk to me, Brinkley. You mad? Are you mad, Brinkley? You being the pack leader? Are you mad? Yeah.